Greetings, and welcome back to our channel, your trusted source for the finest natural remedies for everyday health concerns. To ensure a continuous flow of invaluable home remedies and health guidance, kindly click on the subscribe button and the bell icon for weekly updates. Today, we'll explore nurturing herbal remedies for a healthy gut. A well-functioning digestive system is the foundation of our well-being, and it's our mission to help you maintain optimal gut health. Countless individuals face gut-related challenges like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, leaky gut, constipation, diarrhea, bloating, and stomach discomfort. Fear not, we're excited to share valuable information on some of the most effective natural remedies to better gut health. Stay tuned for our lifestyle hack tips featuring our top 3 fruit selections to enhance overall gut health. But before we delve into this enlightening video on gut health, we invite you to explore the link in the description, offering our finest recommendations for improved overall health, life quality, and happiness. Now, let's jump right in. Section 1. Ginger. Our first herb is ginger. Ginger is amazing. It can be an effective and all-natural remedy for stomach aches and gastrointestinal distress. How? It is believed that ginger can protect the gut while also accelerating the movement of food through the gastrointestinal GI tract. This can help with constipation. It may also ease bloating, cramping, and gas. The power ingredient in ginger is gingerol. It originates as a natural element of ginger root and has been shown to have beneficial effects on gastrointestinal motility. This refers to the efficiency that digested food is expelled from the stomach and moves further along in the digestive process. Consuming ginger promotes efficient digestion, resulting in food passing through the digestive tract more quickly. You can make ginger tea by slicing a small piece of ginger and boiling it in water for 10 to 15 minutes. Alternatively, you can also take ginger capsules or supplements. If you are pregnant, nursing, or on blood-thinning medication, consult your healthcare provider before using ginger. Section 2. Peppermint. The second herb we recommend is peppermint. Peppermint can help improve gut health and digestion, as well as freshen breath and boost mental focus. This makes a great aid in meditation or work and study. In addition, peppermint is antibacterial in nature and has the potential to alleviate headaches, allergy symptoms, and to help clear sinuses. Peppermint helps the body digest fat by relaxing the muscles in the stomach and increasing the flow of bile, which is necessary for the process. As a direct consequence of this, food is expelled from the stomach at a faster rate. This can also help with constipation. Peppermint has antispasmodic properties that can help relax the muscles in the digestive tract. This can help relieve stomach cramps. You can drink peppermint tea or take peppermint oil capsules. However, be cautious as high doses of peppermint oil can cause heartburn, headaches, and mouth sores. Section 3. Fennel. Fennel is another herb that can aid digestion and improve overall gut health. It does this by lowering inflammation in the bowels and cutting down on bacteria that are responsible for producing gas. This can help reduce bloating, gas, and constipation. According to research findings of one study, fennel oil may also be helpful in alleviating the symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. What health benefits can you get from eating fennel? Including them in your diet might make your heart healthier, cut down on inflammation, make you feel fuller for longer, and even provide some protection against cancer. If you want to reap the benefits of fennel and its seeds, try adding raw fennel bulb to salads or using the seeds to season soups, broths, baked goods, and fish dishes. You can also reap the benefits of fennel by just eating fennel seeds. You can also drink fennel tea. Fennel tea is made by crushing fennel seeds and steeping them in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Section 4. Turmeric. The fourth herb we recommend is turmeric. The powerful digestive and health benefits of turmeric come from its primary component, curcumin. Curcumin, in its capacity as an aid to gut health, has been shown by research to possess potent anti-inflammatory properties. This helps to alleviate the symptoms of leaky gut, which can be caused by a wide variety of digestive conditions, such as the following: acid reflux, Crohn's disease, irritable bowel syndrome, ulcerative colitis. Turmeric also has a ton of other amazing benefits for your whole body. As an antioxidant, curcumin goes after the free radicals that are generated by the oxidation process in your body. Oxidative stress happens when the body is subjected to an excessive amount of free radicals relative to its capacity to fight them. That stress can alter the lipids and proteins in the body, which can then set off any one of the wide variety of human conditions and diseases. Because it is able to destroy free radicals, curcumin reduces oxidative stress as well as inflammation and cell damage. You can make turmeric tea by boiling turmeric powder or grated turmeric root in water for 10 to 15 minutes. Alternatively, you can take the turmeric supplements. However, if you have gallbladder issues or are taking blood-thinning medication, consult your healthcare provider before using turmeric. Section 5. Chamomile. Finally, we have chamomile, an absolutely amazing herb. Chamomile can help with digestion. Chamomile is antispasmodic, which means that it helps reduce spasms within the body. This includes those that occur in the stomach and intestines, which can be very helpful for issues that occur in digestion. Additionally, it contains astringent compounds that stimulates the production of digestive enzymes by the pancreas. These enzymes are beneficial for gut health because they help break down food. Chamomile can help you get good sleep. It is a traditional nightcap for a good reason. Not only is chamomile airy and mildly sweet, but the herb, which does not contain caffeine, is also an excellent sleep aid because it does not coerce your body into doing anything. It does not knock you out, sedate you, or cause you to become sleepy. The effect is similar to getting a slow and gentle massage. It is gentle, reassuring, and extremely effective. Chamomile can help you manage stress. Have you ever dealt with stress? Of course, we all have. Chamomile may be beneficial for those who are battling anxiety or higher than normal levels of stress. Consuming chamomile extract was found to reduce moderate to severe symptoms of generalized anxiety disorder in a small study that was published by the Phytomedicine. However, additional research is required to fully understand why this is the case. According to the Mayo Clinic, some research has demonstrated that chamomile is, in general, safe and effective over a short-term period of use in reducing symptoms. It is important to keep in mind, however, that the effects of chamomile may vary from person to person. Chamomile can help with period pain. Chamomile tea's antispasmodic properties make it a potential remedy for the discomfort associated with menstrual cramps. In a study that was published in the Iranian Journal of Obstetrics, Gynecology, and Infertility, it was discovered that when women drank chamomile tea twice a day during the beginning and main phases of their menstrual cycles, approximately 14 days before you get your cycle, along with when you actually bleed, they experienced fewer cramps and lower anxiety than a control group did. This study involved 40 women. Chamomile may boost your immune system. Making chamomile tea a consistent part of your daily routine has the potential to assist you in warding off illness in the first place. In a very limited study, 14 healthy volunteers were asked to consume 5 cups of herbal tea per day for 2 weeks, which is more than the average person drinks in a day. After that, researchers noticed a significant increase in the amounts of hippurate and glycine found in the participants' urine. Hippurate and glycine are both associated with increased antibacterial activity. However, a review of the benefits of chamomile tea noted that additional research is required before a definitive link can be established between chamomile and its purported health benefits. Ready to give it a try? You can make chamomile tea by steeping dried chamomile flowers in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. You can also purchase chamomile tea at most grocery and health food stores. Before we delve into our 3 health tip lifestyle hacks on gut health, we invite you to explore the link in the description, offering our finest recommendations for improved overall health, life quality, and happiness. Here are 3 amazing health tip lifestyle hacks that are some of the best fruits for gut health. Pineapples. As a food source, only pineapples contain naturally occurring bromelain, a group of enzymes that break down protein. If you suffer from gut health issues that make it difficult to digest meat and other forms of protein, eating pineapples with the meal can help. Bromelain acts as a meat tenderizer, making it easier to digest protein. The meat will become more tender as the bromelain breaks it down. Bromelain makes it simpler for your body to digest and absorb the nutrients from the food you eat. Papaya. Papaya have a naturally occurring digestive enzyme called papain. As is the case with bromelain, papain is a digestive enzyme that can assist in the breakdown of the foods that you eat. This makes it easier for your body to break down and absorb the nutrients in the food. Also, digestive enzymes like papain can help get rid of symptoms like gas, bloating, and constipation. Lemon. The powerhouse ingredient in lemon is pectin. Pectin is a type of soluble fiber that can be found in both the peel and the pulp of lemons. It benefits gut health by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes in the liver, which in turn assists in the removal of waste from the body. Fruits that are high in fiber can help keep you regular and reduce the likelihood that you will suffer from constipation. Click subscribe and the notification bell so you get more videos on the best home remedies and health tips. So there you have it, folks. 5 herbal home remedies and 3 top fruits that can help improve your overall health and gut health. Remember, these remedies are not suitable for medical advice or treatment. If you have any chronic gut-related issues, please consult your healthcare provider before trying any of these remedies. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more natural remedies.